Welcome to OEMup. In this video, we'll walk through system settings, where you configure how OEMup works for your business. Start with company details. Here you maintain your company's name, contact information, tax numbers, and logo. And under company addresses, you can add and manage each of your locations. Under working hours, set your operating days and their start and end times, enabling only the days your business runs. In holidays, maintain your holiday calendar. Add a holiday with its date and even flag it as a sandwich holiday when needed. Regional settings control your time zone, date format, first day of the week, number separators, and default currency. Under customer status, define your customer tiers, like silver, gold, or platinum, each with a value. And in industry type, maintain the list of industries your customers belong to. Item price calculations let you enable price protection and set your standard gross profit and maximum discount, keeping your pricing disciplined. In payment and delivery terms, you build reusable terms for each module, configuring how due dates and delivery dates are calculated automatically. Delivery terms holds your standard delivery periods, like 4 to 6 weeks after receipt of order, ready to apply to any order. Under additional currencies, add the currencies you trade in and set each one's conversion rate back to your base currency. Login setting lets you choose single or two-step authentication for added security. And numbering formats gives you full control over the prefixes and numbering of every document, from invoices to purchase orders. Default date set defines your standard validity and delivery dates, while vendor status lets you tier your vendors, just like your customers. Item settings control stock behavior, auto-generating article codes, choosing when stock is deducted, and auto-creating records on import. Procurement settings let you nominate the authorized users for procurement actions. Under system email settings, each user configures their own email account and signature, so messages go out from their personal setup. Finally, enable routing under production planning and switch on customer credit limits to keep your receivables in check. That's a complete tour of system settings in OEMup.